There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
It's taking me damn near an hour to do this thing. Holy shit. Hello, YouTube. It's been almost an hour doing this. I cut one side. I'm shearing off the other side. I could have used a grinder, but this is much more precise. What I should have did was ground it down, but I didn't want to put too much heat into it and warp the metal or do anything, so I figured I'll just practice using a machine I own, right? I mean, what the hell? Might as well use it if you got it. And basically, I'm putting this machine through its paces. I haven't used it much since I got it. It does the job, and basically trying to make this other piece this wide so I can use the tool post on my lathe. So I'm not going to put all the pieces of the video in one. I'm going to make an intro and outro and all that stuff. Once this is cut down and done, I still got to do a groove like this. I got to groove both sides. That's my next problem. Got to see if this fits in there. And then I'll figure out how big the groove has to be. And then go from there. Because I'm pretty sure this has to be shaved down. I couldn't find a block big enough to hold it upright, level, so I used one of those transfer punches. It was skinny enough and high enough, I just laid it down underneath. Because I think they, I'm not sure what they're called, but I think they're called parallels for these, I don't know. I need some more machinist blocks.